Alright, so today's video is going to cover stage 33 vocabulary. Acroter is an adverb meaning keenly or fiercely. And you can tell that it's an adverb because of the ter end in there. Ot is a conjunction meaning but. Obviously, it's synonymous with words like sed and autem. Brawis, brawis, brawe is a type 3 adjective meaning short. So it's obviously describing the tree here on the right-hand side of the screen. Kerto, kertare, kertawi is a first conjugation verb meaning to compete. Kanyikio, kanyikere, kanyeki, kanyektus is a third io conjugation verb meaning to hurl or to throw. And it's obviously connected with yakio, yakare, yeki, yaktus, but it just has the prefix con, which comes from the Latin preposition cum, attached onto the front. So it's cum and yakio smushed together. Contra is a preposition meaning against or on the other hand, and it's a plus accusative preposition. So we only would see accusative nouns following this preposition. Cross is an adverb meaning tomorrow. Eyekio, eyekere, eyeki, eyectus is a third io conjugation verb meaning to throw out. And you can see here, this is a combination of x plus yakio smushed together. Et, et is a special use of the conjunction et. The first one, this first et, always means both. All right, so it always means both and. Excipio, excipere, excapi, exceptus is a third io verb meaning to receive. Fuga, fugai is a first declension feminine noun, meaning to escape, as we see here in Shawshank Redemption. Hic is an adverb meaning here, and it will always have the long mark over this I. Leniter is another adverb meaning gently. We know it's an adverb because of the ter right there. Moeo, moere, moi, motus is a second conjugation verb meaning to move. And it's important to know that it doesn't just have a physical sense of movement, it also has an emotional sense of movement. Comotus, which is like having been aroused or angered, it comes from this verb. All right, so it can have both physical movement and also emotional movement. Nisi is a conjunction meaning except or unless. Obstupefacio, obstupefacere, obstupefeci, obstupefactus is a third io conjugation verb meaning to amaze or to stun. Sorry about that. And we can see how it has facio, to do or to make, at the base. All right, so this is to amaze or to stun. Odio sum, odio esse is an irregular verb meaning to be hateful. So we would see odio sum is I am hateful. Odio es is you are hateful. Odio est is he, she, it is hateful. And you can see the pattern there. Potestas, potestatus is a third declension feminine noun meaning power. Typically power of a king, but, you know, we could relate it to the power of a computer. Regina, reginae is a first declension feminine noun meaning queen, and you can see how it's related to rex, the king, and regnum, the kingdom. Remember, rex, when you decline it, that x changes to a g, so rex, regis, regi, regem, rege. So you can see how that reg has that the kingship connected to it, the ruling power connected to it. Severus is a 2-on-2 adjective meaning severe or strict. And yes, this is where Severus Snape's name comes from. Tectum, tecti is roof or ceiling. It's a second declension neuter noun. Utrum means weather, and it's a question word. And then in this chapter we have the ordinal numbers. So here in this column we have all the cardinal numbers in Latin: unus, duo, tres, quatuor, quinque, sex, septem, octo, novum, decum. Here we have the ordinal numbers in Latin: primus secundus tertius quatrus quintus sextus septimus octavus nonus and decimus I was just showing here in this other one to show how it's related to the modern Romance languages. I picked Italian, but you can look at French or Spanish or Portuguese or Romanian, and they're very similar. So we have primo, secondo, terzo, quattro, quinto, sesto, settimo, ottavo, nono, and decimo. And then here's the English definitions: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So all the ordinal numbers, which is in Latin, they're all 212 type adjectives. And that's it for today's slideshow. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments or send me an email.